Today we're comparing the iPhone 16 with the iPhone 12 to see how much has changed over the years. If you're considering an upgrade or just curious about the differences, this video is for you, so let's get started. First up, design. The iPhone 16 features a slightly defined look compared to the iPhone 12. While both have a premium glass and aluminum build, the 16 has thinner bezels and new color options. Those are really eye-catching. If aesthetics matter to you, you might want to lean towards the 16. Now let's talk about displays. The iPhone 16 sports a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display, just like the iPhone 12. However, the 16 offers improved brightness and color accuracy, making it better for viewing in bright sunlight or for media consumption. You'll notice that videos and images pop more on the newer model. Now on to performance. The iPhone 16 is powered by the A17 chip, while the iPhone 12 uses the A14 chip. In real-world uses, the 16 delivers faster performance, better graphics, and improved efficiency. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, the 16 handles it all with ease, but the 12 still performs well for everyday tasks, if you're not into heavy gaming or demanding apps. Now let's dive into the cameras. The iPhone 16 brings upgraded camera capabilities, especially in low light conditions and with new computational photography features. While the iPhone 12's dual camera system is still impressive, the 16 offers enhanced night mode and better overall image quality. If photography is your thing, the 16 might be worth considering. Now, when it comes to battery life, the iPhone 16 generally lasts longer than the iPhone 12. Thanks to its more efficient chip, Apple claims the 16 can last up to 20 hours of talk time, while the 12 is around 17. Both models support fast charging and wireless charging, so you won't be left waiting too long. Both the iPhone 16 and iPhone 12 running on iOS 17 and 18, you'll get a similar software experience. However, iPhone 16 has access to exclusive feature thanks to its newer hardware. Finally, let's discuss the price. The iPhone 16 comes at a higher price point, which may give some users pause if you're on a budget. The iPhone 12 remains a solid option if you're on a budget, especially with its performance and features. Consider your needs and whether those upgrades justify the cost. So, which iPhone should you choose? If you're looking for the latest technology, improved performance, and camera capabilities, the iPhone 16 is the way to go. However, if you're happy with solid performance and don't need the latest features, the iPhone 12 is still a fantastic device. What do you think? Are you consider upgrading the iPhone 16 or are you sticking with the iPhone 12? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.